Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
For both sides, remove the two T20 Torques on the bottom of the fender liner where it connects to the bumper. With these two Torque screws removed, you can bend the fender liner down where it connects to the bumper. And we have our side marker light and turn signal light. Reach up to the side marker light, pull it out. It's a 194 amber, it just pulls straight out of the socket, pushes right back in. You'll find the little lugs where it meets in and turn it clockwise to lock it. Turn signal bulb. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock it, pull it out of the housing. It's an amber turn signal bulb. It's an 1157 amber bulb. Just pulls right out. Just plug it right back in. Put it up into the housing. Should just kind of feel around. It'll slide right in like that and then turn it clockwise to lock it. Put this back up. Reinstall the Torque screws. This will be the same for both sides.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.